Welcome to a transformative journey guided by renowned speaker and meditation expert, Joe Dispenza. Immerse yourself in the quantum realm and tap into the power of your mind to reshape your reality. In this guided meditation session, Joe Dispenza will lead you through an enlightening practice aimed at unlocking your inner potential and harnessing the forces of quantum energy. Explore profound techniques to rewire your thought patterns, elevate your consciousness, and manifest the life you desire. Check out the full video. Link is in the bio.
I teach my body emotionally what my future will feel like before it happens. People need a rush of dopamine in order to catch their attention, or a rush of adrenaline to learn. And so that they're dependent on their outer environment to regulate their emotional state. Now this is different. Now I'm going to say to you, come on, get in that beautiful heart of yours. And I want you to feel gratitude for the event before it occurs. Well, I can't feel it because it hasn't happened yet. Yeah, that's the conditioning. That's the hypnosis. So then when you teach people how to create heart coherence and self-regulate, then it makes sense then with a coherent brain they can hold the image of their future. They can actually then rehearse who they're going to be. They can bring up the emotions of their future. Now here's the cool part. If they can feel their gratitude before their healing begins. If they feel their abundance or their worthiness before they have their wealth.
Hold it. Come on. Hold it. Hold it.